Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our ceramic tiles.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we are going to be working with ceramic tiles. In this particular video, we are going to be working with our 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 ceramic tiles. So let's get started.
First, we're going to print off of our F570 using the sheet feeder. Okay, here we go. We'll tape this on here with thermal tape. And we use the template so you can see that we have a really good bleed on there to make sure we have full coverage. Okay, we're gonna press this image side down on a piece of foam, and we are at 400 degrees, and we will cover it with a piece of silicone, and then we're also going to use our rubber mat. And we're gonna press for 4.5 minutes.
So we do recommend the foam pillow for even pressure across the surface, because sometimes you'll get spots. So this assists with that, as well as the wrap. It helps distribute the heat evenly across the surface as well. So those are 2 additional accessories that we highly recommend. We also did a press using our craft press, just to show users that it is possible. However, sometimes you do not get the best results. So on here, you do see that there is still a lot of ink left. And with a clamshell press, sometimes you do not get the proper heat across the surface because of how it clamps down. So sometimes a swing weight is best. But you can see in the tile that it's a lot lighter in shade versus what it should be on the paper and the outcome should be. And we do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, along with the accessories that we use today in the video. So we have the foam pillow that you can cut down to size, which we have done when we pressed it, as well as the wrap. So be sure to check those out.
Okay.
Make sure you do wear your thermal gloves, because the tile will be very hot.
And you're gonna wanna remove the paper immediately. And there you go.
So now you have one beautiful tile. So you can use these as coasters. A lot of people use them as coasters, but we also have heard that customers use them for like the backsplash or shower. So there's a lot of uses for ceramic tiles. So definitely check those out online at coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.